Hi, my name is Ashwariya and I develop recipes for the coolest product ever, which is the appliance. Today we'll be cooking cranberry chicken. So let me take you through the recipe. So we started with pot. Now pot is not the pot that you guys might be thinking. Started testing with the potatoes, onion and tomatoes, which are known as pot commonly. Pot also form the basis of your cooking. So this is during the year 2022 and we were talking about Christmas and in the office there was a lot of excitement about what was going on. So we were testing cinnamon rolls and someone spoke about Thanksgiving, which mostly involves turkey, and turkey is served with a cranberry sauce. Now, since in India, cranberry is not so easily available, I thought about I would do something with cranberry juice, and so we developed this recipe. This was actually quite popular for at least for a beta testers who have tested this recipe before. They were mesmerized almost by how simple this recipe is. It's just like a 3-step recipe, very simple ingredients, and that are readily available in your pantry. I have developed a bunch of originals, which I would take full credit for. This is not wine, guys, but you can, if you want to, you can just replace cranberry juice with wine. So there's one specific recipe that's called one pot mushroom bowl. It's like a rice dish where mushroom is your hero. You guys should definitely try the amaranth coconut soup that we have. And it's a fab recipe. It is like a 1-pot meal and extremely light. It will also blow your mind by how good it is. The second recipe that I would like for you guys to try is the mushroom ghee roast. It is again a very simple recipe. You guys should definitely try it. So cranberry chicken is ready, and if you want, you can also replace the cranberry juice that's listed here by any other juice that you would want to add. You can add apple, pineapple, whatever that your heart desires. Just replace the same amount. So, bye.